Hello and welcome to another quick training tutorial. In this training tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use the autosave custom reason feature, which will allow you to add custom reasons without even selecting a letter. This feature is available in the credit bureau section, creditors, collectors, and response section in the dispute manager screen. So to go there, from the dashboard, all you need to do is go to dispute manager. From the drop down, click on dispute manager. Now from here, what you need to do first is select the client that you'll be working on. You can scroll down to look for that specific client, or you can use the search box feature. Once you've selected your client, now let's say for example you've already added the accounts that you'll be adding for disputing right here in the add items section. You may now go to the credit bureau section. Click that. There we go. So this is where you can see the custom reason feature. The custom reason allows you to create personalized reasons, like reasons based on your customer's interview, which you can use for the disputes that you'll be creating. And now there's an option for you to autosave it for future purposes, even without selecting any dispute letters. Now all you have to do is check the tick box, this one right here, and once you click that, a pop-up would appear showing autosave custom reason is turned on. Also, when you turn it off, there's also a pop-up that would appear saying it's turned off. Now let me turn it back on. Once it's checked, that means the custom reason that will be entered into the text box will be saved in the software. If the checkbox right here is unchecked, that means the custom reason that you'll be putting on the text box will not be saved in the software, but it will be added on the dispute letter that you'll be creating. Now let's create a sample reason right here. Let's say Alright, so that's our first sample reason. What you need to do is just click on enter. There we go. There's a pop-up notification here saying custom reason saved successfully. Now let's add more. So let's just use some sample reasons. Let's put test 2. Let me copy this. There we go. We have 2 reasons saved now. Let's go with test 3. Test 4. Alright. Now, if you want to check if the custom reasons that you added is saved, all you need to do is click on cancel reason. And the custom reason would appear on the drop down. So let's click the drop down. There we go. Under custom reasons, this is the first one we added. The balance is incorrect. Second, third, fourth. Now once you select any custom reason from the drop down, let's say for example this test 2, there's going to be an edit custom reason link right here that will show up below the drop down of the reasons. And if you click that, it would allow you to edit the reason or delete the saved custom reason. Let's close this out. Now, what if you added another reason, but you didn't notice that this reason already exists? Don't worry, because the system will recognize it, and there's going to be a pop-up that will show up saying this reason is already saved. Now, when adding a custom reason, if the custom reason is long, the custom reason in the drop down will show dots, like this for example. And if you want to check the whole reason, all you have to do is hover your mouse into that custom reason, and the whole reason will show up. Now that's it for the credit bureau section. Now let's go on to the next section, which is our creditors. There we go. So same thing. You can also add your custom reason right here. So whatever custom reason you entered in the credit bureau's section, it will also show up here. Now, if you want to save some custom reason right here, just click on custom reason again. Let's put test 5, test 6. Let's add more. 8, test 9. There you go. So all those reasons are already added. Let's click on cancel reason and check it. There you go. So it's now showing up right here in the creditors section. Let's move on to collectors. And let's add more reasons right here. Test 10. Let's cancel it and let's see. There we go. Those reasons that we just entered are now showing up right here. And lastly, the response section. There we go. Let's add in the reason right here. 15. 15. Cancel it. There we go. So all those reasons that you entered in the text box are now showing up right here. Now you can add hundreds of custom reasons in the software. And it could be long reasons, like this for example, the first one. So it will show up right here. So that would complete our quick train tutorial on how you can use the autosave custom reason feature.